Guys along from the beginning. Stew and rice, okay? Rice is here. So I want to watch the rice now for the beginning, but never mind, okay? So I want to watch the rice.
You said you in the air was all that I needed not to die. A terrible, terrible high. I don't know how this goes, but there's something in the water that you don't want to talk about.
So this stew, I have everything in. I have chicken, I have tozo, I have fresh, I have momo, I have a ring, I have a what is called power. I have everything inside. I have fresh. Okay, so I use everything to cook most all the meat, you know. So everything is in here. So I have ring. I use ring. This one here is tozo. I have tozo here. I use a lot of meat: chicken, momo, beef, ishanki. You know. So this one you are seeing here is ishanki. You know. Now, so I just want this oil to come up so that I'll be all the gas. Okay.
If I hold you for a moment,
So
I'll lose my
your point so that you are there more on top. Could you be in my ear, daddy?
But I don't know
I don't have a baby. I dey cook. I dey
how
cook.
this goes,
I know about baby.
but there's
You
something
can't hear like
in the
that.
water that you don't want to talk about.
If I cook you in my ear, I won't come.
Cut
Look up.
me loose, cause there's something in the water that you
Oh, my no here, fuck up. When I come here, when I what? When I wake up, no swing, or just shower, no more shower, no like him. Could you please say this boy go dey on that bath water? The owner, there is he still cool water for rubber. You want to finish person with me? Now I go tell am say share that day. We tell you say na once in a month. Now you go dey do that one. This boy, we can say always baby. If I don't treat her now, go they forget say life is easy. Now I say we not say na once in a week and once in a month. Now you tell they do this thing. Not be every day. Day for yesterday you do one. Last week you do one. You know how many be when they will bring on? You know they just enter. Now I tell her say oh yeah, he get like baby. So guys, the stew is ready. So are you seeing it? So this is it. It's so delicious. It looks so good, you know. And this is the rice. So that's the rice. The rice is too much. It's too many, so I need to dish now.